Hello everybody, it's me, Tiana, back with another video for you guys, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to make money from home. I am really sorry if you can hear the heater right now going on. You hear some background noise. I'm really sorry about that. It's really cold in my house and no one wants to turn on the heat, so I gotta film this video, and I don't want to be freezing to death. When I'm freezing and shivering, I can't think straight, so I just have this heater on, so I apologize for the background noise. But I will tell you, it is super cold in my house. On top of that, I'm a cold person. Anyway, so let's talk about jobs you can do from home. Now, I'm giving you 10 ideas. However, there are so many options and so many different ways of making money on the internet. So just because I'm giving you 10, there's still a lot more out there. If you just do your own personal research, then it can open so many possibilities and opportunities for what you want to do on the internet. First thing that you can do online as a job is a YouTube channel. I think anybody knows that YouTube, is a platform that you can make money. And yeah, that's kind of a reason why I started this YouTube channel, is to make money. But yes, I'm being authentic about that. I do want to make money from this channel. However, I also this has been on my mind for a long time, this channel in particular, and it's more than just the money. Of course, the money, I think, will motivate me a lot more to, really go hard with this channel, but I've been wanting to do this channel anyway. I love doing YouTube videos anyway, and I've been wanting to make like a business channel anyway. So yes, my motivation is the money, but right now I'm not making any money on this channel, and I don't expect to make any money for a long time on this channel. And I'm not just money hungry either, but I am trying to make a living because yeah. But yeah, you can make a YouTube channel and you can post videos. You really don't even have to post videos of yourself. I actually make money through YouTube, and that's going to be a whole nother video that I'm going to film later. If you want to know how I make money through YouTube, but you don't have to actually own a camera and film yourself and upload videos to YouTube in order to make money. If you know how to edit, that's all you really need to know, really. The second thing that you can do is there's a thing called Fiverr.com. Basically, if you have some kind of service or something that you can sell for money, it starts off at $5. So if there's something that some kind of talent or skill that you have that's worth $5, this is a great website to take advantage of. I'll put the link in the description, and any links that I mention will be in the description so that you can check that out. That's kind of the basis of it. If you have some kind of basic skill for $5, so it could be anything. I'll edit your videos for $5. I'll edit your pictures for $5. I'll write you something for $5. I'll, just like, it's limitless and endless to the things that you can do for simply $5 and more. So that's just the thing. You can charge a lot more than $5. There's a lot of people who charge $10, $30, $40. I've even seen people charge like $100 for something, but obviously those people are probably a lot more skilled. The next thing that you can do is start a blog or a website. Pretty self-explanatory, I guess. There's a lot of things that you can do with a blog or a website. You can promote affiliate marketing, which is something I'll talk about in a minute, but there's a lot of things that you can do with a blog. But a blog itself won't just make money, I'll tell you that. You can monetize a blog very easily though. And I will talk about that in another video. I'm just throwing that out there. The next thing that you can do is, if you have clothes or shoes or just things around the house that you don't use, don't wear, just taking up space, it's a great time to sell things. You can sell stuff on eBay and you can sell stuff on Depop. Those are great places, but there are so many other different places out there to sell whatever the heck you want to sell. We sold a exercise gym, a personal home gym, to this dude off Craigslist. I've never sold anything on Craigslist before, but that was a cool deal. That person is going to use it now, and you know, I don't need it, and we got the money. So selling is just the oldest job in the world, is just selling things and an exchange, a trade. Obviously sell things that you feel like are of worth, something that you're going to get a decent profit from as well. You know, don't just sell something that you should probably just donate or probably just throw away or something. I don't know, like, but you know what could possibly be of worth and what's not, you know, because you know how much you paid for it, you know, unless you got it from the thrift store. But if you get something from the thrift store, which I've seen people do this as well, buying things from the thrift store or buying things like secondhand, or just buying things from the store and then selling it for a profit, because thrift stores don't usually know the worth of the items that they are selling. So you can find some hidden treasures in thrift stores, especially in certain areas, like nice areas, you know, and things like that. I've personally even been to thrift stores. It's been a while since I've been to a thrift store, but you can just take that idea, go to a thrift store, find like name brand products and clothes or whatever, and just go home and sell them for a profit. Once again, make sure it's something that's worth money, not just know anything. And you might even would have to go home and like tidy it up a bit, you know. You wouldn't just sell it straight the way you bought it, I guess, you know. Maybe give it a wash, give it an iron, you know, things like that. But just that whole thing, selling is great. And that's an option that you can do. And it's easy, it's fast. PayPal, yes. The next thing that you can do is get into affiliate marketing. I personally am trying to get into affiliate marketing myself. I'm not going to talk too much about it because, like I said, I'm new to it. And yeah, but there's a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing as well. You can do affiliate marketing through a blog, through a YouTube channel, through any kind of social media. You can even do it without having a website or social media. There are people out there that make videos like how to promote or how to do affiliate marketing with no website. It's great. There are people out there that are willing to help you. And I could even make videos about this. I plan on making lots of videos that are helpful for you guys in the future. So just look out for that. The next thing that I put here is I just put small tasks. Now, in the beginning of my journey of making money online, I was doing small tasks. I wasn't trying to aim for the big things. I was just doing stuff like doing writing jobs, surveys, testing websites, stuff like that. Yeah, I wrote down this stuff. That's why I'm like looking to the side. But like just little jobs add up here and there. It takes a lot of time and energy, but it's something. I don't know. And then like when you aren't making the big bucks, like I said, it's something, you know. So I'll put some websites that are helpful that I've used, like I said, in the description. If you need money on right now, like if you need money within minutes, if you need money in a day, if you need money within the week, I feel like these small tasks websites, you gotta find one that pays within a day or within a week, stuff like that. They have helped in those times where I've needed like money today, money tomorrow, money in a week, you know. Even working a normal job, sometimes you spend all your money if you're living paycheck to paycheck, and I need money now, you know. So even that comes in handy with that. Like, once again, I'll put some links in the description for ideas and jobs that you can. Okay, the next thing is writing an ebook. So yeah, you can write an ebook. That if you are I'm just gonna throw that out there, if you are creative and you want to write a book, it's so easy to write a book nowadays. It's not like what you think it is. Like, you can just go on Amazon, publish a book through Kindle, Amazon Kindle, or whatever it's called, and call it a day. Yeah, and start selling it. You know, I plan on writing a book, an ebook. That's why I mentioned this. But at the end of the day, I'm just gonna throw that out there, and it's purely passive income. Once you write the book, the money that you make off the book is completely passive income from there, unless you continue to write books. And I do actually know people who make a living through publishing books through Kindle. They just keep publishing books, or they just can live off of a good bestseller or something like that. So even that alone, some people just make an income through ebooks. Some people just make an income through just one of these things on these lists. Or they use multiple things. So that's just the game of the trade. You can try one thing, you can do multiple. Just depends on what you can handle. But that's why a lot of things are passive income too. So you write a book, publish it, it becomes passive income. That frees up space for you to do other things as well, and to have other incomes besides just one. Because I don't ever really recommend just having one income and just relying on one thing. Even if it pays really well, it could suddenly not pay really well anymore, and you can always fall back on a plan B, you know? The next thing is sponsorships and brand deals. This is really mainly if you have a website or have social media like YouTube, stuff like that. Or you can work towards that. That's something that I want to work towards, you know. I want to work towards getting sponsorships and brand deals. You can do it without people actually contacting you. You can contact brands, but even then you have to have somewhat of a following. And on this channel, I don't really have much of a following at all. Like on any of my channels, I'm trying to build that up. So yeah, that is something I want to do in the future. You can just add your business email and just people can contact you to do sponsorships and brand deals. It's just a whole process to how that gets started. But if you are wanting to say, do some of these things off the list, like I'll do YouTube and then work towards getting sponsorships and brand deals, and who knows what you can do from there. You can start a website, sell stuff just by having social media, you know, and stuff like that. That's what I'm trying to do. But let's keep moving. Let's keep going. The next thing that you can do is sell a course. I've seen people do this. If you are good at something, like really good at something, there are people that are willing to buy whatever you're willing to teach, you know? Whether it's you know how to make money online and you know a foolproof way of making anybody like millions or like six figures or like whatever. People will pay good money for that. And yeah, so there are a lot of websites out there for you to make a course. It's actually easy peasy lemon squeezy, like teachable.com, and there's many of them. That's just one of them. But yeah, it's an option. The last thing that I personally put on my list is selling merch. Basically, it's kind of goes hand in hand with selling stuff, but not really, because you have to find a producer. Now, I don't know how good YouTube does, because I know there's this option that YouTube has where you can make your own merch. I don't know who they work with, or I don't know if it's YouTube itself. But the only place I've worked with merch so far was Amazon. Like literally merch by Amazon. I made shirts. It was a fail, but it's trial and error. Like, that's a whole nother story I'm gonna have to talk about. A lot of things are trial and error until you get it right. So I tried to sell some shirts at one point in time and it was a flop, but it wasn't, I really didn't try that hard either. I was trying to balance doing a whole bunch of things. So you know, I'm not mad about it flopping or anything like that, but you know, it's just an option. I know people who constantly produce shirts. You know, they have a creative mind and, you know, design clothes. Like, they design t-shirts and stuff like that. So that sounds really cool. All of these things sound super cool. They sound super fun. I do some of these things. What I do for a job is, you'll see it in the next video. But yeah, I hope that I could help somebody out there who is trying to start their journey to making money online. If you're trying to start your journey, this is a video to watch. because this is just surface level things. I'm pretty sure if you know about the internet and making money online, you know about all of these things already. It's nothing new to you. But if you're new to this journey, I'm here to bring you just a few options of the many vast options that there are with the vast internet. So yeah. With that being said, I'm gonna go now because the video is finished. But feel free to subscribe, feel free to leave a thumbs up, hit the description for my social media and all of the links that I mentioned in this video. And I will see you guys later. I don't know what my schedule is gonna be. I was gonna say like tomorrow, but I don't know. At the end of the day, I'll see you guys later. If you have any requests, feel free to leave them in comments below. Bye.